Let me first say that side neck work is the least important aspect of getting a thicker neck. But I still recommend it because including it is optimal. Why would you not do the lateral bending and rotation if you know that you'll get superior gains? Now, how much that's going to be, I have no idea. Maybe 10, 25% gains more, maybe even less than that. Nobody can really give you a clear answer on that. All I could say is that you'll get the best results. And for anyone who's struggling to build up their neck, you might as well do it all. Even though you could get excellent, and I mean excellent results with the neck curl, neck extension. You get strong with those two, you're going to have a crazy thick neck. It's going to be very strong as well. But will it be the highest? Will it be your peak potential? I'm going to say no. I say without the side neck work, you're never going to maximize your neck's potential. But you know what? For some of you, maybe you don't want to. Maybe you're content with 17, 18 inches or whatever you may have right now. Maybe you don't want to do the side work to get an extra half inch or maybe 1. I can understand that. If you're content with your neck, with the neck curl, neck extension, keep doing that. But I will say that you're missing out. Not only in terms of size, but also performance. In fact, I will say that if you're a combat or field athlete, you should probably train the size of your neck because you're going to be experiencing blows on the field and in the ring. And having a strong neck in that position that you've actually trained for in that specific way might help in preventing concussions while keeping you more stable, keeping you on track so you don't get snapped up. So it's just a smart idea to do in that regard. A lot of football players, a lot of MMA guys, to them it's very important. So I'd recommend you do the same if you're a competitive athlete. Otherwise, if you're just trying to get effective gains, neck curl, neck extension, you're solid. Because I'm going to say that the side work is very similar to the neck curl in terms of the musculature involved. So it's not crazy, it's not magical, but it's something. And on a maximized routine, you're doing a lot of volume work, it's great. So I say do it. Start with the standard side raise with the plate, okay? Get some good gains on that. And if you decide that's not enough and you want to take it to the next level, we'll start using some bands, man. I recommend the Neck Flex, the best harness on the market for getting that side neck work action, or using a 4-way neck machine. Or you can do bridging on the ground and going to the sides, although that's really not the same thing as doing the lateral bending and the rotation with the external resistance. But it's still another option nonetheless. Oh, and also, I forgot to mention this very important point, that for some people, the side neck work can be helpful in correcting imbalances. I talked about this a long time ago in my neck imbalances segment. But that's a different subject altogether. So I'm going to say that side neck work is not necessary, but it's certainly helpful, especially if you're struggling to build up your neck. And it's always going to be optimal to do everything rather than being minimalist. That's it. It's a very simple video. If you got more questions about neck training, let's see in the comments section, and I'll talk to you all next time.